thing, name tags. Anybody interested in a name tag, please see me. We have two types, the pin and the magnetic. They're $15 a piece, whichever one you'd like. Beforehand, you send it to me. I'll take care of ordering it, get it back in a couple of weeks. I've got some name tags up here. If you've ordered name tags in the past, I probably have them in my briefcase somewhere. I've got about a dozen, maybe 2 dozen of name tags that have not been picked up. So if you've forgotten or you think you have one, please give me a holler.
I haven't put that in the blast. Don't really put a list in the blast that people need to.
Yeah, I can do that. You can put in a blast through Mary.
Mary.
I'll give you a list. You're welcome. You can thank that. You can thank her.
Huh? What?
Checking account, $6,056.69. The Bunny Run, our money rate account, is $5,607.26 for a grand total of $11,663.95. The balance at the last meeting is a frame of reference, $11,542.57. So we're going to move on to the 50-50. The 50-50 today is worth $113 with the total being brought in this morning of $226. So I need a cheerful volunteer to come up here and start this process rolling. And Keith, you get to win. Since you're a new member to the group, you get to have the auspicious opportunity of drawing the first ticket. Come on up. If you want to learn anything about him, ask him to show you the photographs of his motorcycle.
What?
Pick mine, I'm from Mass.
I know.
Okay, buddy. Pick one out, give it to me, and that's all we got to do. Thanks very much. Thank you very much. All right, I think it's a white ticket. I'm colorblind, so no guarantees.
Shit. I could forget about it.
Look like a white ticket, everybody? All right, white ticket. We got 4, 3, 1, 3, 5, 4. Somebody got one. There we go. There you go, sir. Smile for the camera.
He's buying lunch. He's buying lunch, right?
And I need
Colorful
to pick one more ticket. What?
Good one.
Uh-oh.
Put them all back. Put my ticket back in there.
So see,
Only be fair. Somebody would be very upset.
Yeah.
might be yours.
Burn those white ones.
You take me the white ones?
Burn the white ones.
Oh, yeah.